I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like we have this entire, like we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her. So I think, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors. And that is the beauty of it, kyunki like directors, each directors have their own flavor. So इसीलिए I'll, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is, as in I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff. And but every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy we worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film I think deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
Right from the beginning of my career, starting from Shiva or Kudagawa and Criminal and Zakam and Angare and other films, and also all my dub films have been accepted so well here in the North. So I'm so deeply appreciative about it, gratitude to all of you. And this film, let me just talk about the film then.
Sure.
This film is very, very special to me. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do, like you asked. What should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And it was, I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true, and like Dhanush said, his heart is so pure, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films.